So welcome sa first ever unboxing and also tutorial for PC build. Isang maulang gabi, so medyo maingay, pero bilisan lang natin. So first, ito yung pinabuild sa akin. Medyo malabo. Ayan. So ngayon, initially ang target kong specs based sa pricing comparison na ginawa natin. So usually kapag nagpipili ka pa lang ng parts according sa budget, so you wanna compare muna yung price differences ng mga shops. And ito yung napili natin na medyo okay sa budget and sa specs wise. Now, nung pumunta na ako, nag-shop na ako, as you know, situation today, medyo mahirap maghanap ng parts, mahabang pila, walang stocks, or hindi mo makukuha lahat in one shop. So usually mas magandang bilhin yung mga parts, especially kung nagbi-build ka ng buong CPU sa isang shop lang. So kanina nakakuha tayo sa PC Gilmore with this items. So nagbago lang power supply, hard disk, yung board as well. We wanted gigabyte una, pero wala siya, so ito lang available, so no choice. So total is 16,110. Yeah. And pumasok naman siya within the budget. 16 and 15. So let's try na i-unbox natin to real quick and start natin i-build. So let's go with each item muna. So we have Ryzen 3 3200G. So there's only like 800 or 900 price difference, 2200. Pero I thought we should just go with the latest. Ito yung Rave power supply, Aerocool. It's a Rave, 500 watts. It's 80 plus, so that should be fine as long as we have 80 plus there. Hard disk, this is Toshiba 1 terabyte. Medyo kulang sa budget, kaya we didn't go with SSD muna. So we thought of going muna for more storage kasi pang estudyante ito. So yan muna natin, hard drive. So ito yung board. So yung cheap generic part case natin, it's a Fortress. Let's take it off. So yeah, it's good enough, basic, and it actually came with a generic power supply as well. It is a 700 watts, green fans. So rule of thumb, you don't wanna go cheap sa power supply kasi ito yung, you know, the first that will protect your whole system. So that's why we bought a 500 watts 80 plus certified power supply here instead of using this one. So we'll just use this one, probably a spare, or I don't know. So hiwalay natin yan, pero yan, important na meron kang matibay at trusted na power supply. You can tell it's trusted or good enough when it has 80 plus certification. So yeah, so let's try to build this one up. Bago ko makalimutan, meron nga pala tayong RAM na Fury Kingston to, 8 gig for now. Again, limited budget, so that should, I know na medyo kakapusin to kapag nag-key ka na. So kasi yung naka Ryzen ano tayo 32G 3200G na mag-shared ano siya, pero again hindi natin ma-stretch yung budget, so we'll see how it goes. And then probably we can just upgrade later on kung may budget na, add one more sticks. So first unbox natin tong motherboard A320M-A PRO MAX AM4. Okay. Let's see. So bale ito na yung board natin. It's an mATX, micro ATX. Really basic lang. Again, when you're on a budget, so this is pretty much what you can get. Just basic, but that should do the trick. So dito naman sa case natin, pretty much again we just need a basic one, the cheapest one that we can find. I mean, the cheaper the better. So let's see what's inside. So ito yung pinaka-case natin, micro ATX, really just a small one. So meron siyang thumb screw, dalawa. Sorry, medyo madilim. Again, I'm just using my phone first time, so next na tayo magkano ng magandang budget na camera. So sa side na to, kabilang side, screw siya. So okay, let's try if we can open that side as well. So yan, open na natin yung kabilang side. Again, it should be good enough for basic and budget build. So let's try na. So yun, ito na yung motherboard I/O plate natin. So let's see kung paano ba to. It should be, so we're placing it that way. So okay, so it should be that way as well. Okay, so nakabit na natin yung I/O plate. So talagang ipupush outward lang natin from the inside, and basically that's it. No screws or anything. Ganun lang. Okay. So now, usually ang ginagawa ko, una ko yung sa CPU. Taas muna natin yan. Then open ko lang yung CPU. Okay. So yung Ryzen 32G, meron siyang kasama cooler. Ito yung cooler niya. So yan, try na natin to. So ito yung kasama niyang cooler. Ito yung sa top niya, yung fans. Okay, may thermal paste na. Okay, so we'll do that in a bit. Damo na natin. Lagyan natin ito CPU. So ngayon, paano natin malalaman kung anong position siya sasalpak? So may mga fins yan. So usually titingnan mo yung etong nasa dulo na to. Ito siya yung pinaka-marking mo. Hanapin mo ngayon dyan sa side na yan, alin yung ano niya, saan siya sasalpak. So kung makita natin, all sides, so 3 sides are just the same. See, look, the same, the same, the same, at dito lang yung iba. So that should where our mark should go. So it should be this way. Pag hindi, lalapat naman siya. Kung lalagay mo siya ng mali, or baliktad. Try natin. Hindi siya pasok. So there's only one way. Napapasok siya. Yan. So pag inano mo siya, shake mo siya ng left and right, or hindi na siya, parang pumasok na siya sa butas niya. Okay, then i-lock na natin to. Lock. There. Next natin ilalagay is itong cooler natin. So yun, paano ba? So we should be doing it this way. So let's see. So looks like kailangan natin tanggalin to dahil yung heatsink ng kasama ng ano ay will need to be screwed in there. So ayan, tinanggal natin. So let's see if we got it correctly. So mukhang tama naman. So we'll use this side CPU fan later. Hindi siya pa ganun eh. So instead of that way, so we'll keep the logo on this side. Okay, let's see. Yan, so naikpitan na natin. So looks like naikpit na. So CPU fan installed. Let's do what's next. Okay, RAM. Okay, so ito yung RAM natin, HyperX Fury. Dumi ng kuko ko. Again, camera focus, Fury 8GB. So meron tayong dalawang slot dito for memory, so we'll use either one. So again, same rule. You won't go if it's in the wrong position. So they're in the middle, that slot there. Okay, then just basically push down. Yan. So push down both side ng sabay. Mag-snap yung clip sa gilid. Magla-lock na siya. Okay. So I think pwede na natin ilagay sa case. Doon. So hindi ito talaga yung nakita ko sa store kanina. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Hindi ito yung design. Actually, yung design na to, pero again, hindi natin na-check kasi binax na nila. And as you can see, mukhang nagamit na to. May mga scratches na siya. Anyway, it's a generic case lang naman, pero at least, you know, they should have given me yung yung pinili natin sa store. Mas simpler yung style ng isa. This one is medyo, ewan ko, hindi ko type yung picture. Pero anyway, okay lang yan. Pero try na natin. So since nga pala yung design nito, yung nasa dash yung power supply, so I think unahin natin yung power supply mismo niya. Teka. So, teka, ligtad. Sorry. So, ito yung power supply natin. Rave. Okay, cables. Okay, so again, medyo hindi naman to ganong kamahal. So it's a cheap power supply. Pero, you know, so hindi siya modular. Andun siya lahat yung cable. Pero should be good enough for budget big. Okay. So yan, kulay pula, mapula siya. So have to go this way. Ayan. Okay, meron siyang kasamang screws. Okay, let's see kung makabit na natin to. So, yan. Kabit na natin itong power supply. Mamaya natin piliin kung alin yung lalabas natin. Konti lang naman kailangan. So, ngayon, yung stand-offs ng motherboard, hindi pa siya nakakabit. So, may hiwalay pa siya. Ilalagay pa natin. So, ito, kakabit na natin.